really, because I think he was 6 years old when I left Philippines, when I went to Canada. And then, surprise ako nung magkita kami sa Facebook. Sabi ko, ba, nasa Abu Dhabi na pala itong aking inaanak na naisip ko. Kawawa naman siya, nag-iisa lang. Sabi ko sa amin, may mga Pilipinong tumulong. So, talagang papasalamat ako sa inyong lahat, sa mga congregation ninyo, although we have different belief, pero iisa lang ang ating paniniwalaan, di ba? Kahit na either I'm Catholic or you are in different confederation, okay lang yun, di ba? So anyhow, as you know, dapat August 20, I was supposed to be here. I was mugged at the airport in Canada for 30 years. Hindi ako na-hold up. Pero within 30 years, na-hold up ako noong August 20. They took my cash, my wallet, everything, my passport, my ticket. So nung pumunta ako sa Canadian Embassy, sabi sa akin, you have to prove that you are Canadian citizen. I said, well, I live here for 30 years. My husband is Canadian, my kids are Canadian. And still so, it won't help you, we need your identities. So I feel naked. Sabi ko, parang ako nilubalan nito, wala akong identity. Sabi sa akin, di 18 ngayon ako, dahil wala akong identity. So I strive hard. Talaga sabi ko sa kanila, nung sinabi kasi sa akin ni Rani na, yun ang gusto ko pumunta ka. Then brother ko, yung father niya, sige na, ikaw naman representative ng mga Bore dahil wala nang magre-represent kay Rani. At the same time, sabi ko, tama yun, it's perfect because I'm going to tour in Europe kasi kapatid ko na sa Sweden. Tapos yung relatives namin sa Norway, Denmark, Sweden. Sabi ko, ang last stop ko, Abu Dhabi, kaso nga na-hold up ako. Sabi ko gano'n, natangay lahat. So ngayon kinuwento ko sa Canadian Embassy, sabi ko, talagang I really need to go, sabi ko gano'n. So I didn't stop until, sabi nila sa akin, it takes 5 months before I can get my passport done. And I keep praying and I said, well, if you're real to go, that I have to go, I have to go. If it's not your will, I have to accept it. Although I have to pay a lot of money kasi sa cancellation of the ticket and everything, right? At ang may papayo ko naman, so much of my story, ang may papayo ko sa inyong dalawa, ang pag-aasawa, hindi kagaya ng kanin na sinusubo, pag napasok, iluluwa. So take a break, kung meron kayong disagreement, isa sa inyo mag-pull off, take a deep breath, I'm just a pastor, I cannot guide you, but you can talk to me, I'm just a phone call away. I'll try to help you as much as I can, so with your dad. Yun lang po.
Thank you so much, Nina.